yet?
No.
The venom is coursing through my veins.
Mr. Montgomery.
I've been failed by a winged beast of destruction. You see?